So I have 2 mini notebooks. I decided the best thing to do would be to make some more. I borrowed this technique from Miscast, who has an amazing YouTube channel you should be following. I went to an office supplies shop. They just happened to be having a back to school sale, so I just bought a whole selection of different types of paper. I don't think this cost me any more than $10. And there's tons of paper in there, so I won't run out anytime soon. So I've just got to get the paper out of the books, which will be a slightly annoying process. Just take a few pages out of each book. This one is some tracing paper. I thought that might be a nice addition, and there's some coloured paper in there as well. So now I'm chopping off the edges, because this is a folded over piece. Make it nice and flat. So then just organise it into a relatively random or organised random order. Get them all lined up. Then a black piece of card for the cover. And give that a fold. So I have this cool stapler which allows you to swing it around so that you can staple either horizontally or vertically. I gave this a go and unfortunately it didn't get through all the paper. Staples folded over weirdly and it just looked horrible. So what I did was I just grabbed my normal stapler and a pile of EVA foam, put that underneath the book, get a new piece of cardboard and then just push through, staple that way, and that seemed to work a lot better, even if that one is a little off center. And then just fold over the staples there. Then the next thing to do is to cut down the edges so that they're all even. Clamping that down just so it doesn't move, get a nice fresh knife blade and chop that down. Takes multiple passes to get each one done, but that way you're not going to be ripping anything on the way through. Now I wasn't entirely happy with that first one, so I thought I'd just have another go with some of the leftover bits of paper. Line that all up and follow the same process again. I decided to fold first and hopefully line the staples up a little better than last time. Fold them down. Chop the edges off. And I was a lot happier with that. So this is the final product. They're just cool little notebooks, and the different types of paper will hopefully inspire different things, different drawings or sketches or random scribblings. Definitely happier with the second one, but this was a fun little project. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.